Note that we have two operators for text or string and digits. I could type A plus B on the message box. They are not important here, as you know. Okay. And A plus B, it will keep the string values together. Also, if I set 1 plus B, it will get same result. But how about set 1 plus 2? And note that because both are inside of double quotations, Visual Basic will look them as a string. So it won't add 1 plus 2 get 3. It will get 1 close to the B. How about if I remove the quotations? Now we're actually doing mathematical calculation. 1 plus 2, of course the result it is 3. And note that if I start adding digits with pure digit string, again gonna calculate it automatically as a digits. Because this one it is the numeral value, and this one, although it is a string but it is pure digits, again gonna calculate it like that. But if I set A, it will give type mismatch because it's trying to calculate numeral with a string, which it is impossible. In this case, instead of using plus, we use ampersand or and sign. And now we have A beside 2. So keep in mind, I recommend you always, if you want to use a string, use the ampersand, and for digits, use plus sign to not give error or by mistaken calculating something different. For example, if I set 1 plus 2, I don't want to calculate as 3. I could use ampersand and it will look like both as a string. 1, 2. 10, 2. And even if I remove double quotations, again this operator it is for a string, it will keep together 10, 2. And finally, if I use plus sign, gonna calculate 10 plus 2, 12.